Hey everyone, it's Nick from the Uno platform here. Just going to show you a quick walkthrough of the Uno platform template wizard. So I've already installed the marketplace extension for Visual Studio from the Uno platform, and we've got ourselves the Uno platform app template. We'll go here next, enter some basic project information, click create, and we're into the Uno platform template wizard. We've got two basic options here, and if you need more customization, you can click on customize for either the blank or the default configuration. So we'll go ahead with the blank and hit create. The blank's really designed for some more advanced users who know how they want to configure the application. It is literally the bare bones. It doesn't come with any additional components added in. And so it gives you a clean slate to start working on your application. And here we are in Visual Studio, and in our Solution Explorer, we can see over here that we've got a list of projects that basically define the platforms that we can target and our core application, which is in this bottom project here. The zoom in here, you can see the usual suspects. If you're coming from the XAML world, you'll see that we've got a main page where we can put all the stuff for our current page. We've got strings and assets and things like that. So we can go and define individual resources and those types of things. If I want to start one of these targets, I'll basically right click on it, go set a startup project, and I can hit play. And that's immediately going to basically build and run for that particular target. Now, the only different one is the mobile target, where I can pick from the various targets like iOS and Android to start those. Anyway, I hope that shows you a little bit about the wizard. See you in the next one.